Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Robotics Unlimited. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy portable power bank. And now let's make it. First of all, let's take some power bank PC which you can buy in many stores, or you can take from a broken power bank. And then we can take some batteries, a phone battery or some rechargeable batteries like take 18650 batteries. You can take the bigger battery, the bigger mAh. You take the bigger phone can get a power, so I have taken a 3200 mAh power battery. You also can take a battery, and this is a small portable. You can make it, you can attach as many batteries you want to make it a bigger battery, to make a bigger power bank. So attach the positive of the battery with the positive of the board, and the negative of the battery with the negative of the board, like this. So you can see that there are, out of 4 LEDs, there are only 2 LEDs blinking, which is that the battery has charged 50%. So there are 4 LEDs. One LED will indicate how much power the battery has. So now I have wrapped up the battery with some tape. If you are like, you can do it for safety precautions. And then you can take some glue and paste the two pieces together. Like this. So if you are using a phone battery, you can take two wires and you can solder both in the plus and minus separately, and you can attach the same way you did it with the battery. Like, oh, I have taken the battery, I have soldered the plus negative plus and negative. So that's how. So we can take a normal USB cable. Now I'm using a 3 ampere charger here, so which is a very fast charger. So you can use it. Now make sure your charge is above 2 mAh to get a very quick charge. So you can plug it into the charging port and then you can charge it off. There are 4 LEDs. One LED indicates that the battery has charged 25%. So you can see it's charging, and so mine already has charged 50%, so it's charging at 75% now. So when it comes full, it is full charge and it's ready to use. So thank you very much for my channel, and let's meet again.